2013 Honda Shadow Phantom 750. It's a very forgiving bike. You know, it's got good throttle response, but it's not like super snappy. It's a pretty light bike, and it feels very light. It feels very light and nimble. I like that it's got pegs. Let's see how many gears we have. Alright, we're in first gear. Second gear. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Just 5. That's about what you'd expect. But I'm doing 55 in it. You know, it's not, doesn't feel like the engine's screaming or nothing like that. $50, $60, $70. It's not super fast. It's you know, it's a good mid or entry level bike. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being this bike is trying to kill you, 1 being it's a moped, you couldn't die if you wanted to, you know, I'd put this on like a 4.